What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 6 detected AMD Radeon driver version error update driver fix, which is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the game on the Steam or when they're trying to launch the game on the EA Sports app. For both users, they are having this issue, especially for the AMD Radeon users, they end up in having this particular trouble. Then how we can fix this app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate you step one by one on how we can fix this. You can try this step. So the first and foremost step is all about we need to update the AMD driver using the link which I'll be providing in the video description. So you can go over here, go to the Google Chrome. Now from here to the Google Chrome, so just go over here. So this is the Windows driver for the AMD users. This is the official page. Now from here, you have to select what is your AMD product. So we have these available products. So you have to select the AMD model of your computer. So in my case, what I need to do is I have to select what is my model, right? So you can select it. So in my case, I'm going to select Radeon RX 550M. Then I have to go for enter. You have to go over here, just search for it. I have to search for this one. Now this is for if this is what it is. You have to select the correct one and go for search. Then once you go for the search, this can differ from person to person. Now from here you have to go here in the Windows 11, the 64-bit edition. Now from here you have to download the graphics card. Once you download the graphics card, you have to check that might work. Next one apart from this, so this is for the users with the Radeon. I don't have the Radeon, but I'm having the Intel, I'm having the NVIDIA graphics card, but even though I'll be show you how to fix this. So just go over here in the run. Now, go to the search and type run. Now you have to type here rigidit. You have to type rigidit and go for OK. Go for yes. Now go over here. Now first, this is how it looks like. Now expand the H key local machine. Now from here, you have to expand system. Now go and expand software. Sorry, not software. You have to expand current control set. Then expand control. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to video. Keep scrolling down and navigate to video. Now just go over here, select the video. Now we need to expand this. Now while expanding, so you'll be getting this particular numerical value folders. So for the users who are having the AMD processor, you'll be having tons of folders. You'll be having a couple of around hardly 10 different kind of like this. So you have to expand each. Then you have to find the folders with 00 value. Now we can see in both folders, if I expand this, I'm having 40 values, 0000. Similarly, if I expand this, I'm having 0000. So similarly, you have to do this, whatever folders you are having, you have to find if you're having 0000 folder, subfolder, you have to edit it. So let me go over here, select this. Now when you select this, you will be getting, if you search for Radeon, you will be getting the Radeon file here. So for me, I don't have it because I'm not in the, this one, I'm not in the Radeon, but I'm having the NVIDIA graphics card. So you just need to go over here. You'll be finding Radeon software version. Just search here for Radeon software version. And once you find the Radeon software version, you have to click on it. Then you have to double click and you will be having a value there. Change the value to 26.6.2. Change the value, whatever the value there, you have to change. The Radeon software version value should be changed to 26.6.2 and go for OK. Similarly, you have to go to the next one, release version. You will be having under the Radeon software version, you will be having release version. Click on the release version. Then you have to, before you will be having a value, and before a minus value, I mean you will be having a long numerical value. Before that you have to type 25.1013.04. Just type this value and go for OK. Once you're done with this one, you have to close everything and you have to do this for every values. Then you have to check this might work. So I hope this video is helpful. See you soon next video. Bye.